Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create these gorgeous Pentagon pearl earrings. For this project, you'll need pipe beads, 0/11 seed beads, 12 pearl pendant, jump rings, gear ring stud, 0.25 nylon wire, some tools. Step 1. Pick up 5 beads. Bring them down to the end and tie a knot. Next, carefully cut the excess wire to create the finished shape. Now, pass the needle through the next bead. Pick up 0/11 seed beads and pass the needle through the following bead. Repeat this to fill the gaps around the pentagon. After filling all the gaps with seed beads, pick up 6 pipe beads and bring them down. After filling all the gaps with seed beads, pick up 6 pipe beads and bring them down. This technique will create a mirrored pentagon shape, forming a two-sided design. You'll then connect the two shapes with individual pipe beads to form a dimensional pentagon box. Now, repeat the process to add all the seed beads to the gaps on this pentagon shape. Now, exit through a pipe bead. Pick up 1 additional pipe bead and pass the needle through the corresponding pipe bead on the opposite side. Pull tight to join the sides to form the pentagon box. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 sides to complete your pentagon box. Finally, take the pearl pendant and insert it inside the pentagon box, then close the box. Tie a few knots to secure, and then cut the excess wire. Now, take a jump ring, attach the pentagon box, and add the ball earring stud. Secure it. And now the earrings are complete. See how easy it was to make these stylish Pentagon pearl earrings. They're one of my high-selling designs. Go ahead and make your own if you do. Don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see your creation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe.